In this video, I'm going to show you how to blend two images in Photopea. Start by importing both images onto your canvas. Adjust the first image so it fills the entire canvas. Then select the second image, move its layer above the first one, and resize it so it also covers the full canvas area. This setup ensures that both images align properly before blending. Once both images are positioned correctly, select the top image layer. At the bottom right of the screen, click on the Add Raster Mask icon, which looks like a small camera-style icon. After clicking it, a white mask thumbnail will appear next to the image layer, indicating that the mask is active. Make sure the mask is selected and confirm that your foreground and background colors are set to black and white. In Photopea, painting with black hides parts of the image, while painting with white restores them. Select the brush tool from the left side of the screen and open the brush settings from the top. At first, set the brush hardness to 100% and the opacity to 100%. Begin brushing over the main areas of the top image where you want the bottom image to appear. As you approach the edges where both images should blend, reduce the brush hardness to 0 to create a smoother transition. For a more natural blend, lower the brush opacity to around 30% and gently brush along the border where the images meet. If you remove too much of the top image, switch the brush color from black to white and paint over those areas to restore them. Once blending is complete, you can add additional effects or adjustments as needed, such as for a thumbnail or composite image. And this is how you can blend two images in Photopea.